Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix error this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. First, let's go to the search icon and search for Windows Defender Firewall. You're going to click on this one, and from here, click on Advanced Settings at the options from the left, and this window will pop up. From here, click on Inbound Rules from the options at the left, and we're going to create a new rule by clicking on this option at the right part of this window. And we are going to select Program from here, click on Next, and we are going to browse the program path that you want to enable again. For example, go to the drive on where your Adobe app is installed, and it is usually located in the Adobe folder. Just open it up. And once you have inputted your program path, just click on Next at the bottom. And what we're going to select from here is to block the connection. Click on Next, and you check all of these options right there. Click on Next again, and you can name it however you like, and just click on Finish right there. And you should be able to have this rule on the list. For example, if you have blocked the connection for Illustrator and there are existing rules on the list, you can right-click on them and click on Delete. And delete all the other rules that are applied to that specific Adobe app. And what we're going to keep is only this rule that we created where we blocked the connection. After that, we are going to go to the outbound rules once you have deleted the other rules for the certain app. And we are going to do the same step, which is to create a new rule for that specific program. Select Program, click on Next, and select that program path again. Click on Next, and make sure to block the connection. Apply for all of these, click on Next, and name it again. Finish, and again, if there is existing rules on the list, you have to delete it so that only the blocked connection rule is kept on this list. And that is how you can basically fix that error of this unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.